Hey there, welcome to my review of Divine Commissions. My name is John Hooks from John-Hooks.com, and we're going to be talking about a new training for you for making money online. It's called Divine Commissions. I'm on my bonus page here, and so basically it states that you put $1 in and get $10 out. Hand-holding training guides complete newbies to daily cash commissions. No content creation, no videos, no tech skills, 100% real results. You can get to my bonus page, by the way, if you're watching this from YouTube. Beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and divine commissions here. It'll take you to the page that we're on right now. And by the way, speaking of YouTube, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell. Thank you very much. All right, let us continue. So on my bonus page here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you what I'm going to give you today from me when you pick up Divine Commissions through my bonus page here today. And at any time, of course, when you're ready, you can go ahead and click on any of the red banners, on my page here, and we'll take you over to the page where you can do your checkout. All right. And so let's get started with my bonuses real quickly here. To start off with, I'm going to give you Mave. You're going to discover how we tap into Google's 4.1 billion traffic pool. Bonus number 2 is Affiliate Takeover. You're going to drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. Bonus number 3 is Octagon. It's an automated done-for-you ClickBank and Warrior Plus affiliate review sites that generates $276 a day on autopilot. Bonus number 4 is TweetX. This new app makes $476 every day, and all it took was just a couple of minutes of setup to get it activated. And of course, bonus number 5 is all of the bonuses that the good people from Divine Commissions are going to give you for purchasing their product. All right. Now, I don't have a copy of the actual training platform, but if I get that, I wanted to go ahead and get this video made. I will add it into this bonus page, at a later time. So basically, let's go into what Divine Commission is. So if this sounds like you're an ordinary person, who dreams of becoming financially free. Currently, you're focused on escaping your job, and you know that making money online is, the best way out. And so let me ask this question. Would you be ecstatic if you could make money now, generate traffic instantly, and stop buying product after product with the distant hope that one day it will work out for you? Because if you could do these things, ultimately, that would mean you could finally stop working for the boss man and live life on your own terms. All right. Another thing. Are you also really frustrated about the fact that fake gurus are teaching you outdated methods that worked in 2005, but not anymore? Plus, do you constantly ask yourself these questions about how to move forward? How do I really make money online as a complete newbie? How do I generate traffic without breaking the bank or dabbling with social media? And how do I automate the whole process so I can sit back and enjoy my life? Divine Commissions is a results-backed method that Jonas has been using for months. He is able to predictably turn $1 into $10 every single time he turns on his traffic source. Now, Jonas Lindgren is one of 4 individuals that come together to put together Divine Commissions. All of them are extremely successful marketers, some fairly new, like within the past year, that are making 5 to 6 figures per month. And so they know what it's talking about. Now, and so basically, to give you an insight on what it's about, it's using Google Ads. Now, before you get, hands up in the air like this type thing, we're not talking about using, having to spend $1,000 or $500 or even $100. It teaches you how to start out with, $5 to $10, at a time, which for a lot of us, that's all that we can afford to, to put up, to start with. Now, I have used this method, and still do, and it works. Now, are you going to get $10 back for every $1 you put in every time? No, you're not. Sometimes you might get $1, back. Sometimes you might get, 50 cents back on the dollar you put in. But most of the times you're going to receive $5 to $10 back for every dollar that you put in. Just being realistic, certainly no guarantee that you're going to, get $10 back for every dollar that you put in. So it depends upon what you're offering, how good your offer is, how good the print is that you put on it. A lot of factors in there, and this course does go through all of those things. All right. So what is this going to cost? All right. So the front end is going to be $12.95. But wait, even though that's a fantastic price, if you were to click on any of the links, on my page here, to take you over to the sales page where you can pick this up. This is the sales page here, and if you attempt to leave it, you get this pop-up for 25% off. Okay, so rather than $12.95, I'm assuming you're going to be paying somewhere in the neighborhood of $9.71. All right, so for under $10, this is a great tutorial, to spend that very little amount of money for. Okay, so moving on, there are, of course, some one-time offers or upsells. So for the Pro version, downsell prices, $17. You get more training, you get case studies and extra hacks on how to tenfold your traffic and get more sales with less effort. Upsell number 2, the Done For You, for $37. Why do your ads when we can just steal all of Jonas's? So this upgrades, gives you all of the proven ads and creatives that Jonas has used to consistently turn $1 into $10 every time. Upsell number 3, unlimited traffic for $67. Now our sales pages, they get hit by thousands of buyers every single day. We are allowing you to put your pixels on our sales pages so you can steal all our buyers. Upsell number 4, Traffic Mastery for $37. It's insane value. So all-in-one solution delivers all of the traffic anyone could ever need. We've taken proven strategies from the highest earning marketers and applied them to our business, then broken them down into simple steps to customize for divine commissions. Upsell number 5 is reseller rights for $47. Get the reseller rights to divine commissions, double your profits by selling it as your own, be able to sell this hidden backdoor strategy that no one has revealed. All right, so important things to go over, to remember about divine commissions. One is extremely beginner friendly, turn $1 into $10 every time, all-in-one solution, unlimited buyer traffic, 30,000 case study included, takes just 10 minutes to get set up, and 30-day money back, guarantee. All right, so as I mentioned a couple of times already, go ahead and click the red banners on my page. It takes you over to the actual sales page for divine commissions. Click on the banner there to take you to your checkout. Speaking of checkout, this is being sold on the Warrior Plus platform, so the page that you'll eventually come to after your secure checkout will look like this. You'll click the green button to get your Divine Commissions course, and you'll click the blue button here to access my bonuses that I showed you earlier. Now, listen, once again, if you didn't get a chance to do it before, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the thumbs up, click the bell. Thank you very much. Well, listen, I've come to the end of my presentation here. I hope that you have enjoyed my review. Please leave a comment on the on my YouTube page here, for this video. And if you have any questions about anything, it doesn't have to be about this. I answer questions, that have nothing to do with the product that I was reviewing. People are asking questions about different things, and I'm always willing to lend my advice. Okay. Again, thank you for checking out this review of Divine Commissions. And as always, to your success.